Hello everyone, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this video I will explain you what are the stages and process you need to move on through this TS ICET Counseling 2024. So students, watch the video with full concentration and don't skip the video in between. If you skip the video, you will not get the clarity about the stages from which you have to move on during this whole counseling process 2024. Now let's see the stages, the process of your counseling. Now the very first step is candidate registration and online payment of counseling fee. The first stage, the first process of your counseling is candidate registration and payment of your counseling fee. So students, here you have to register online by making a payment of counseling fee, and this process you can opt only when you will get the notification for ICET counseling, which will release by the authorities very soon. So once you get the notification, then only you can opt this process, and after getting the notification you will give a time duration for registration on the official website when the links are active. So when the links are active, then you can register, and you can book a slot for your document verification or certificate verification. So for this option you have to pay first the counseling fee. The counseling fee for OC and BC students is 1200, and for ST and SC students is rupees 600. So next process, next stage is certificate verifications. So once you pay the counseling fee, once you book the slot for your document verification, the next stage is certificate verification. So here you have to verify all your certificates and all your documents according to the schedule at the helpline center. So there you can verify all your certificates, and what are the certificates you are required, that is compulsory. For that I already uploaded a video. You just see the video, you will get the clarity what are the certificates you needed for the certificate verification. And qualifying on this stage is compulsory, then only you can move to the next process. So the next process, the next stage is stage 3, that is exercising web option for selection of colleges. Now once you verify all your certificates, then you can opt the third stage, that is exercising web option, and here you can log in for selection of colleges according to your priorities. So before opting this stage, once you make a list of the colleges where you want to apply, so here you will give 3 options, and you have to select 3 colleges according to your wish, according to your priorities. Then the authorities will consider your priorities, then they will allot the seat. So this is the very important stage. Here you have to carefully select the college. Here you have to mention 3 colleges of your priorities. So selection of college is yours. Now once you select the colleges, then they will allot you the seat, allotment of seat, that is the stage 4. So seat allotment message will come to you, then you can download the allotment order from online. So this allotment of seat is the final allotment, and if you request for change, or you want to change the college, maybe that will not be acceptable. So allotment of seat is the final allotment of the seat. So at stage 3 you have to carefully select the colleges. Now after getting the final allotment of seat, the next stage is payment of course fee. So once you get the allotment of seat, you have to download the allotment seat order, then you have to pay the course fee online. whatever course you select, maybe it's MBA or MCA. So according to course wise, you have to pay your course fee in this stage, that is stage 5 of the counseling. Payment of your required course fee, whether it is MBA or MCA, with the downloaded form of the seat allotment. So I hope till here all of you understand, all of you get my points, and here you know what are the stages you need to move on. Now the last stage is reporting to the selected college. So students, this is the last stage. Here you have to self report with the downloaded allotment order or fee receipt. You have to report to the respective college in which the seat is allotted within the dates mentioned by the authorities. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all my future notifications related to your academics will come to you directly. And in my next video I will guide you what are the top colleges of MBA in Hyderabad. So stay connected with us, and share this video in your friends WhatsApp group so that they also get to know what are the stages, what are the process they also need to move on during this ICET counseling 2024. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and thanks for watching the video.